Hey guys, it's Case, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your view model and your crosshair settings in Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Before you can do these actions, you need to download the maps Crashz Viewmodel Generator and Crashz Crosshair Generator. I'll have both links to these maps in my description, and all you want to do is click on those links and a Steam site should appear with a green box that says subscribe. You're going to want to click that, and basically what that's going to do is it's going to add these maps to your workshop tab in the play tab. So let's start off with the view model. So once you have this map loaded up, you can choose any selection of bots that won't affect anything. Alright, now that we're in the map, you can see what we're greeted with, a huge panel of options to select for your view model. Things you can change are the position, the field of view, whether you want to play left-handed or right-handed. There's some preset positions and there's some preset view models on the side. You can also change the movement. So let's go over these. If you shoot up, your view model will go up. It might not be so sudden at first, but the more you shoot it, the more of a change you'll see. You can already see this is already a crazy view model. If you click these, you shoot these tabs on the side, that'll just set the max it can go. So if I shoot all the way to the left, it'll go as far to the left as it can possibly go. If I shoot to, it'll go forward or it can go back. You can mess around with these, but I like to use the presets and then work my way around with this. So basically, if I wanted to use gangster, shoot gangster, and then I have his preset. And then what I do is I come over here and adjust it to where I want it. Et voila! You can also change the movement, and this is basically the bobbing of the gun. So if I change it to highest, your gun's going to move around a lot and you'll see the running animation. If I change it to lowest, you'll barely see it. This is generally what I like to keep mine on. You can also change the FOV, and this is field of view. So basically, in other games like Call of Duty, this setting will change the full first-person view. But in Counter-Strike, this will only affect your view model. So if I shoot it, you'll see that the map's not changing, but my gun is. So if you want to see more of your gun when you're inspecting it, or if you just want it farther away, you can click this and you'll be able to see more. But if I click this, you'll be able to see less. So that's basically it for the view model generator. Let's hop over to the Crosshair map and I'll show you what that's all about. Now that we're on this map, you can see what we're greeted with here. Again, more selections of panels to use to customize your crosshair. Now, if you want to go through all these individual settings, you can. But what I suggest is to turn around and go over to the wall of presets. These are all the pro players' crosshairs that they use. And if you go in here, these are some famous YouTubers and some solo players, their crosshairs. And you can see how crazy some of these can get. But if you're like me, I like to keep things subtle and keep it like this. Either a dot or something small. Now if you want to, you can come over here and select which style you want and basically each aspect of that style. So we'll start off with size. It's pretty self-explanatory. It'll get bigger or smaller depending on what you make it. Thickness, it will get thicker or skinnier. Gap, it'll change how far away the crosshair is to the center. Outline will create a small black outline around your crosshair so you can visually see it better. Alpha changes how bright your crosshair is or how transparent it is. So you can see now it's invisible. And if I shoot it, it'll become less transparent. And dot just puts a dot in the middle of your crosshair. Now the styles are basically which settings are on your crosshair. So basically whether the crosshair expands and if it's dynamic or static. My personal favorite is 4, which is static. Now once you have your crosshair, you come over to this test room and you can practice on the bots. Another great feature of this map is that you come over here, there's a recoil test. So basically there's this white palette here that when you spray, the bullet holes show up. So basically you can practice your spray patterns. And when you're done, you can just click clear, and there you go. So that's how you change your view model on Crosshair, guys. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you all in my next video.